What's the difference between fresh and pre-cooked sausages?
Great question. Fresh sausages are not cooked at all. Pre-cooked sausages come to you fully cooked by Lake Geneva Country Meats. We do all those in our smokehouse, some with a steam cook, some with a smoke cook for flavor and color, but those are fully cooked, ready to eat. Just, you can eat them cold if you want, but really we do recommend heating them before you serve them. It's a little less, weird. But those are great when you're tailgating, just need something to put on the grill real fast, don't worry about boiling them. Fresh brats, we don't cook them at all. We just put the ingredients in the casing. You have to cook them to 165 degrees at home before you eat them. We like doing fresh brats for flavors a little bit more because things that have sugar in them, in particular, barbecue sauces, our cherry brat, when you cook them twice, the sugars break down twice and the flavor gets a little weird. So we can do some more fun flavor things with fresh brats, but they're both quality sausage options, pre-cooked a little bit more convenient, fresh, a little different texture, and some more fun things we can do with flavor.